Welcome everyone. When n number of particles each of mass m are at distances x1 equal to 1, x2 equal to 2, x3 equal to 3 and xn equal to n units from the origin on the x-axis. So all these small n masses are aligned along the x-axis. So if I try to draw this, we can say it will be something like this, and it is along the x-axis. Okay, so at x equal to 0, no mass is present here. At x equal to 1 meter, the small m mass is present here. At x equal to 2 meter, again small m mass is present here. This is at x equal to 2. Similarly, at x equal to 3 meter, say small m mass is present here. So we have to find out the center of mass. Okay, so to find out the center of mass, we are basically use this formula, that is xcm equal to m1 x1 m2 x2, like this for n number of particles. Okay, here it is the sum of all the particles, masses of all the particles, like this way, dot dot mn. So here the mass is m. For this case, the distance from the origin is 1, so I am just placing 1 here. For this case, the distance from the origin is 2, so it will be m into 2. For this case, the distance of from the origin is 3, so it is m into 3. It is m, and for the nth point, the distance is n. So I am simply writing down n here. Since there are n number of masses, so we can count that's like m plus m plus m. Just like it will be continued, we can say up to n times. So very simply, if I take this m common, then it will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus n, and by counting small m masses up to n times, it becomes small n into m. Okay, now it is a series. Okay, and the sum of this series can be easily find it out, but here I am just cut these two m's here. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot dot n, this becomes n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, n into n plus 1 divided by 2, this is the formula of that particular series. Here small n and this small m cancels out, so it will be n plus 1 divided by 2. So if all the equal masses are present there, okay, then the center of mass will be at the position n plus 1 divided by 2. So if I consider like this, 10 masses are present there. Okay, 10 point masses at x equal to 1, x equal to 2, x equal to, just like that, x equal to 10 masses are there. Okay, so at that time it will be 10 plus 1 divided by 2, that is 11 by 2, that is 5.5 meter from this origin. Okay, if it is 20, then it will be 20 plus 1 divided by 2, then it will be 10.5. So similarly, you can see that if the number of masses, we can say this chain of these masses, okay, are increased, then the center of mass will be shifted away from the origin. So this is a basic formula. Okay, if the masses are equal, if the identical masses are present in each and every coordinate point, just like 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter, etc. Thank you all of you.